In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the error dragging your clip to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you want to do if you can't drag your clip into your timeline is to deactivate the position lock over here. Make sure that it's not turned on. And if you come over to your media pool and you drag an audio file and you can't drop it, or you drag a video file and you can't drop it, the first thing you need to check is that you are not attempting to drop an audio file on a video track layer. It won't work. You need to ensure that your video files are dragged to your video track layer and your audio files are dragged to your audio track layer. But if that is not the problem, the next thing you need to make sure is that you unlock your track layers over here. Ensure that your track layers here are not turned off. And if I come over here now and select a video file and drag it onto my timeline, you will notice that we can drop it. But if you still drag your audio file, for example, and you are having issue dropping it for any reason, make sure that your track layer here is turned on. If it is turned off, you might not be able to drag in some audio files sometimes, so make sure that you come over here and toggle it on.